First thing you want to do is take the key ring off of the key fob. And what you want to do is have the buttons facing down. And you'll see right in here a place to pry right here. And you twist that. And then you go to the other side, twist again. That way you have a good separation. So that way you don't have to pull up too much with your hands and things go flying. So now you can just gently take this off. Now there's a rubber seal in here that you have to make sure that is lined up properly. So just kind of like make sure it's even. It's like a clear place where it's supposed to be. Sometimes it'll stay here, sometimes it'll stay on the lid, so you just have to make sure that it's in place when you put it back together. In this case, it's still on that side, so we're good. So you can see the battery is just kind of sitting in there. You can take it out with your hand, really. Now, if you can't get a good grip on it with your hand, you can use tweezers or a little screwdriver or something, just to kind of lift it up a little bit, just to kind of get access to it. And it's a CR2032 battery. And you get the new battery, and you just kind of lay it in there and get it underneath that side, like so, and then press down like that. And it kind of stays in place for the most part. It's not like it's secure 100%, but it stays in place enough to get good contact and everything. Especially when you put the other side on, it'll hold it in place. You'll see the little dimples on the seal to keep it in place as well. So just make sure that the hardest part sometimes is this little rubber silicone seal right there, to make sure that's in its proper place. And then you take this, lay it on top like that. Make sure it's lined up properly and the seal's not getting in the way or anything. And then you can snap it in place like so. Just kind of go around to make sure it's snapped and secure all the way around. Visually check it. And then put your keychain back on and you're all finished.